Welcome Lord KG. Assalamu alaikum. I'm your teacher Kinza from Black Castle. How are you all? I hope you're all fine. Alhamdulillah. Let's start with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This video is related about your English reader. Head start blue. Well, today we are going to learn page number 2 and 3 first line. Okay, now open your book, open your reader, page number 2 and 3. Very good. Now look at the letter, first letter. Which letter is this? This is letter A. This is letter A, and A says A. A says A. Very good. Now there is a picture. Tell me, what is this? This is apple. Very good. Apple, apple. And what is the beginning sound of apple? Apple. Very good. Okay, repeat after me. What is the beginning sound of apple? Apple. Apple. Very good. Now look at the second alphabet. Which letter is this? This is letter B. Well done. This is letter B, and B says B. B says B. Repeat after me. B says B. Very good. And there is a picture. Tell me, what is this? This is book. This is book. Very good. And what is the beginning sound of book? B, B, book. B, B, book. Very good. B, B, book. Now there is one more alphabet. C. This is letter C, and C says K. C says K. Very good. And tell me, what is this? Oh, cat. This is cat. And what is the beginning sound of cat? K, K, cat. Very good. K, K, cat. K, K, cat. Repeat after me. K, K, cat. Apple. B, B, book. K, K, cat. Well done. Do more practice at home. Stay home. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.